Hey there, fellow keyboard enthusiasts. Today we're taking a look at the incredible Logitech G915 keyboard. And let me tell you, this is a keyboard that will knock your socks off. It comes with a micro USB cable that will allow you to charge or use this keyboard with a wire. And it also comes with a Bluetooth adapter. First of all, this keyboard is insanely thin. At just 22mm thick, it's one of the thinnest mechanical keyboards out there. And with its low profile GL mechanical switches, it's a dream to type on. Fast, responsive, and incredibly satisfying. So let's turn this on. Plus, with fully programmable keys and on-the-fly macro recording, you can customize it to your heart's content and dominate your games. You can also dedicate some G keys that can be programmed with custom macros and commands per game or app profile. However, it requires using Logitech G915 to easily set up and manage profiles, commands, and more. But let's talk about the real cool stuff. The G915 is totally wireless, so you can say goodbye to tangled cords and enjoy a seamless lag-free gaming experience. And with the ability to connect to multiple devices, you can also switch between your gaming setup and other devices. But wait, there's more. The G915 features Logitech awesome light sync technology, which lets you customize your keyboard's lighting with a rainbow of colors and effects. And with up to 30 hours of battery life on a single charge, you'll have plenty of time to bask in your keyboard's glorious glow. In short, the Logitech G915 keyboard is the ultimate keyboard for gamers and keyboard enthusiasts. It's thin, fast, wireless, and fully customizable. What more could you want? So don't wait. Pick one up today and take your gaming to the next level.